Welcome, today I'm with Motorola Moto E20 and I'll show you how to check the battery temperature. The first step, just go to the Play Store and here in the search field tap Ampere. So now we have to get this application, so tap to install. And while this is installing, we have to wait just a few seconds, so tap to open. Here tap to yes I agree, close, and here on the left down corner just tap to OK. So now you see the information from your phone. Just by swapping to the left side with your finger, you will see the same information like temperature of your phone, the Android version, the model, the health, and more information. So that's how it looks. If you find this information helpful, just leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.